The cruise that I'm on got stuck in the North Sea, and it's been the most terrifying experience I've ever had.
Hands, hoist the colors high.
I've never seen waves so big before, and the ship feels like it's going to tip over.
Thieves and beggars never shall.
The North Sea is the most terrifying and dangerous sea in the world, with waves that can reach up to 80 feet tall.
Now some have died and some are alive.
1 second it's quiet, and the next we are submerged underwater where you can see old shipwrecks.
With their keys to the cage and
I'm
the
so scared and can't wait to be back on land. Have you guys ever been to the North Sea?
fiddler scream.